Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you this amazing strawberry delight recipe. You guys have to try it. With 3 simple ingredients, so let's get started. In a bowl here I'm adding 200 ml chilled whipped cream. You can use any whipped cream you want. I will beat the whipped cream till stiff peaks. If your whipping cream is not sweet, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, or according to your taste. Here I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of my homemade strawberry sauce. You will get this recipe on my YouTube channel, so please do check it out. Here I will beat my whipping cream till my strawberry sauce gets blended in it. We don't want to over whip our whipping cream. Here our whipping cream is perfectly ready. Here I'm gonna be making my dessert in containers. You can make your dessert in any dish as you like. Here I'm dipping my first layer of Marie Biscuits in half cup of milk, warm milk. The milk should be warm so your biscuits can be soft and can be eaten easily. Here I've added my whipping cream in a piping bag. Now I'm adding my first layer of strawberry whipped cream. Now I'm adding my second layer of Marie Biscuits dipped in warm milk. Now I'm adding my last layer of whipping cream. You can decorate your dessert as you like. Here for the topping I am adding Marie Biscuits. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of my homemade strawberry sauce right on top to give it that rich strawberry flavor. You can add this sauce also in between the first and second layer, or you can add strawberry slices. Now I will chill my dessert in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours. Here our strawberry delight is perfectly done and is ready to eat. I hope you people enjoyed this recipe. Please do leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.